You say thank you?
What's your room number in Villa 18?
So we're currently in Villa 18. This is Villa 18. We are 1809. Let me just open it. I'll just push the door. Push the door. Welcome to our villa. Extra storage, and the glasses. Then this there. These are the D&D butler. Little sofa there. This is the room. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. This is the sofa. Another sitting area. Because we are 3 adults staying in the room, they have put the bed on the side. And then this is from the bed straight to the terrace. I'm gonna we're overlooking to the gardens. Wow, there's a sitting area. We can probably have a coffee later, and it's still sunny. This is our Villa 18, and this is the wonderful view. We can literally hear the birds. See? Wow. And we're going inside because it's a bit hot. So there you go. Hello. Wow. Nate is playing the fountain. Wow. Nate. So we are currently here in the station. We're waiting for the abra to come. We're just going to ride the abra for my little one.